My dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa akhir da'wakum alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. This is Muhammad Altaf with you. Now we start with Bismillah. That means Ya Ar-Rahmani. Ar-Rahmani Rahim. Or we can say, we have to say as Ya Ar-Rahmani. And we have to write Ar-Rahmani in bracket this. Because this is unpronounceable since there is no zabar. Zabar has been cut. This is finger, and zabar is the nail on the finger. So nail has been cut. So now automatically Ya Rahman. You have to speak Ya Rahman. Bismillah means this. When no Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Now I have to teach you about the Pati ur Rahmana. Pati ur Rahmana wa Rasulihi wal ulil amri minkum. Okay, minkum. This is 92 यानी कि अनिसाए 59 सवाल आया थे. Okay. Who the Rasulin means Rasulun. Rasulun means when there is a double pesh, this means the person who has been and will have been till his life is there. Okay. The man who has been and will have been in the process of teaching the proper reading the words of Al-Quran. Mainly the meaning of Bismillah. Bismillah. It is written Innahu Bismillah Rahman Rahim. That means wherever this is written Bismillah, then you have to read as Rahman. I mean, if it is written Wallahi, then we have to read as Rahmani or Rahmani. If it is written Wallahu, then we have to read as Warrahmanu. If the Zer is there under He, then there will be Zer under the Noon. Warrahmani. Warrahmana, Wallaha, if it is Wallaha is written, then we have to read as Warrahmana. This is the proper way. The person who teaches this thing, it is known as, he is known as Rasulun. Very first step. Very first step is this this is in 48:30. Okay. 48 means the Suratul An-Naml. This is the Suratul number An-Naml and Sawalayat number 30. The second part of Sawalayat 30 is Waindahu. First part is Waindahu min Sulaymana and second part is Waindahu Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So, these two things okay now. Okay. The person who read as it is Al-Quran, he has no proper connectivity with Ar-Rahmani as per the expectation of Ar-Rahmani. He is not complete man. If he speaks, if he reads as it is the words of Al-Quran. إن الله على كل شيء قدير قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. If he reads like that, his identity is known as Utul Kitaba. Provided unknowingly he does not meet with the Muhammad, but his belief is like that. If the sun is there, that means Muhammad is around somewhere. If his belief is like that, then his identity is Utul Kitaba wal Mu'minina. His identity is like this. When he reads as Qul huwa ar-Rahmanu ahadun ar-Rahmanu samadu lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. If he reads like that, his identity is Penal Kitaba. Okay. Then his identity is known as Rasulullah. The person who teaches like this, the proper reading of Al-Quran. Okay. Because the person who reads as it is means he does not cut the nails on the finger of Ar-Rahmanu, that and he, because we have been acting as a ilaha, as we do any amal, simultaneously the activation takes place on sky with Ar-Rahmani. Okay, so when he use his finger by reading the Quran, then means he has been giving the trouble to Ar-Rahman by not cutting the nails nail on the umpire finger. Okay, and initially it is called, he is known as Utul Kitab, but later on he merged, he merged into al-munafiqina, al-munafiqina, al-munafiqina. Yes. The person who gives the trouble to Rahmani, he is known as al-munafiqina. And the lady who has penis, is known as Maryama. If that lady who has penis, who speaks Allah, he also known as Al-Munafi, Al-Munafiqato. Okay? Well, because the ayat of Al-Quran, it is designed for that person who has penis from human being. Okay, so since the Marima, the lady who has penis, okay, if that is why, if you read the Surat Maryama, when a representative of Rahmani reached on the door of Maryama, he interacted with Maryama, then it is written that Maryama told, Inni a'udhu bir-Rahman. When you read see the Surah Maryama, Inni a'udhu bir-Rahman. Inni a'udhu, sorry, a'udhu bir-Rahmani minka. Inni a'udhu bir-Rahmani. Okay. Because Maryama, she is lady, and lady is known as Qalat. Qalat means if she, whatever she spoke that time, then Rabbil Alameen expressed as Qalat. Lady, what she told, then is known. Qalat means she said. Okay. Inni a'udhu bir-Rahman. Okay. One place, if you see in Surah Al-Baqarah, then a'udhu bir-Rahman, it is written a'udhu बिर्रहमान Auzu Birrahman. Oh, sorry. Oh, no, no. It is written as Auzu Auzu Billahi. When Musa interacted with his qawm, Auzu Billahi. Then it is written Auzu Billahi. Then all man has to read when this ayat, whenever he reads, then he has to read as Auzu Birrahman instead of Billahi. Okay, Auzu Birrahman. This is the proper reading of ayat of Quran and known as Ayatain al-Kitaba. The person who does not one al-munafiqina identity is this. Second al-munafiqina identity is this. Then he got married with second cousin as either general wife or attached wife. Al-Munafiqina. And third one is if he got married with first cousin, either general wife or attached wife. General wife is that the man who married with the such lady who is actually is supposed to be out of blood relation, but he got married in the general wife, but he is I mean acting with her as general wife. Means general wife means he got married and he has been having the sexual activity as general wife means satisfying her in the fertile land. And also he used to pregnant her also. Because the pregnancy can be done by marrying with the such lady who is absolutely out of blood relation. Within blood relation, he cannot marry with within blood relation as general wife. Okay. So the person who got married with first cousin is known as al-munafiquna. Al-munafiquna. Okay. This is the this is very clear. And those who teaches the reading Al-Quran as قل هو الرحمن أحد الرحمن الصمد إن الرحمن على كل شيء قدير instead of إن الله على كل شيء قدير. He is known as Rasulun. Okay. It can be anyone. to whom Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim selects. इल्ला मन इर्तदा मिन रसूल है, ठीक है ना। तो to whom he wishes to select, he selects as Rasul. That's identity is who never speak Allahu. Okay, he always speak as Ar-Rahman instead of Allah. If the person selected by Ar-Rahmani as messenger is known as Rasul, and other person that I told the Ulil Amr Minkum, that in previous Ulil Amr, the Ulil Amr Minkum means to whom Muhammad taught in order to read the Al-Quran like that. Allah not to be read, whereas Ar-Rahmanu has to be read. Ar-Rahmanu in place of Allah. Okay? He is known as Ulil Amr Minkum. To whom Muhammad has been taught or teaching, then people gets the knowledge in order to read the Al-Quran as per wish of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, that is speak Ar-Rahmanu in place of Allah. Wherever in the Quran, Wallahu it is written, then he has to read as War-Rahmanu. Wallah is written, then War-Rahmanu. Wallah is written, then means War-Rahmani. Inna Allah is written, Inna Rahmana. Inna Allah is written, Inna Rahmana. Inna Allah is written, Inna Rahmana. Like that. He Zabar Zer Pesh equal to He. Noon Zabar Zer Pesh. If the Zer is there under He, then it will be pronounced as Ar-Rahmani. If Zabar is there on He, it has to read as Ar-Rahmana. If the Pesh is there on He, means Ar-Rahman, like that. Okay. So Rasul, clear? And the person who teaches like this, okay, the person who teaches like this, he is known as Rasulu, and the audience, I mean the person who came into contact with Muhammad, they are known as Atain al-Kitaba. Okay. Proper man. Okay. That means he never allow the finger into the active anus of Ar-Rahmani with the nail. His finger with nail means he is trying to giving the trouble to Ar-Rahmani. When there is no nail, then automatically he is speaking Ar-Rahmani, Ya Rahmanu, Ya Rahmana, like that. Okay. So Al-Munafiqina, three types. Those who speak Allah Number one, instead of Ar-Rahmano, he is known as Al-Munafiqina, and the lady who has penis, who speaks as Allahu, instead of Ar-Rahmano, she is known as Al-Munafiqatu. Okay? And Al-Munafiqina, the second category is those who got married with second cousin, and he is satisfied. He has been satisfying to her by being in the fertile land. Since in fertile land, in the blood relation, woman like first cousin or second cousin cannot be satisfied anymore. Okay? Only can get ejaculation. Number three, the person who got married with the first cousin is known as Al-Munafiquna, Al-Munafiqina and Al-Munafiquna. Okay? So, Al-Munafiqina or Al-Munafiqatu or Al-Munafiquna, these people, they will have been staying in Jahannama with severe punishment. Al-Kafirina wal-Munafiqina. Al-Kafirina is and Al-Munafiqina, both are same category. They will have been staying in the Jahannam al-Jahima forever with the severe punishment. These two, they are equivalent. Al-Kafirina, I have explained before, those who do not believe in with this what I taught you. Okay, they speak Allahu as it is, and he does not believe in that there is a Muhammad around him. And he keep on saying that there was one Muhammad, he came and no further Muhammad will come. They are known as Al-Kafirina. Okay? And Al-Munafiqina is this. So both are the same equivalent. Okay? Same category punishment will have been facing in the Jahannam. Okay? And one more thing I want to tell you, those who teach the Al-Quran, who read and write also, as per this, if it is written Allah, then he reads in Rahmana. It is called as Al-Bayyinatu. Al-Bayyinatu. Al-Bayyinatu means that the person who read and write and teach the Al-Quran in order to read in the proper way by considering Innahu Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Qulidullah Abdur Rahmana. This is Qulid Ur-Rahmana. Qulid Ur-Rahmana it is like this. You see Bani Israel, that is 50. So like number 110. It is written Khalid Allah Abed or Rahman. This means whenever it is written this, then he has to read as if wow is there, then War Rahmani, and bracket away means V into A. Away means V into A. B is Rahmana and A is, this is A, this is B. So B into A में Rahmana in bracket. This is the design and of Rahmana body where the Sharmaha is there. Okay, so clear. Al-Bayyinatu Rasulun on this. So Atiu Rahmana wa Rasul. When a person does not believe that there is a Muhammad, and every time he is known as Al-Ghafrina, and how come he can, Rabbul Alamin will give him the guidance? No, cannot. Not at all, okay? His belief is like that, then he cannot get the guidance from the Rahman Rahim. When his belief is like this, there is a Muhammad has been and will have been means every Muhammadun, the word Muhammadun means has been and will have been. Suppose generation of today is for has been, and till his life is there, then will have been for that particular person till he is alive. Like that, this will continue till his life. That is a Muhammadan. His belief must be like that. In other word, we can say when the person see the sun, that means Muhammad is there. Muhammad is there. In other words, sun, when a person sees the Muhammad, and he must have to believe as there is a Muhammad around him. He has to go and meet and get the guidance which is provided by the Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Okay? So, Al-Bayyinatu Rasulun Atiu Rahmana wa Rasulhi wa Ulul Amri minkum. That is why if you see the Suratul An-Nisa is the 92 and 171 sawal. When you see the Rasulun around you, then then you have to be Amanu. Next, make a note, there are two words, Amanu and Amanu. First step is Amanu. This is the second step. First step is Amanu. Amanu. There are two steps, Amanu and Amanu. Okay? Clear? Amanu is the eligibility and Amanu is the preliminary examination. That means all the orders, that is 1114 orders, accordingly he get the education with Muhammad in all 24 hour. What are the amal which is required in 24 hour, which is ordered by Rahman Rahim. That time the person who teach is known as Ar-Rasulo. Ar-Rasulo. Okay? Rasulo, okay? Rasulo, the person, and the people known as Aminu. Okay? This is okay? Rasul, the Rabbil Alamin who selects a man to whom he gives the proper the knowledge of proper reading is known as Rasulun. That is why it is written Atiur Rahmana wa Rasulihi wal Uli Amr minkum. Never speak Allahu, whereas you have to speak Ar-Rahmanu in place of Allahu, or in middle of the Savalayate. So, Ar-Rahmanu in place of Wallahu. Ar-Rahmana in place of War-Rahmana. War-Rahmana. War-Rahmana in place of War-Rahmana. Wallaha. War-Rahmani in place of Wallahi. Okay? The person who teaches the all orders what to do in 24 hours only make a note for 3 or 4 hours teaching. Okay? Known as Al-Rasulo. After that, each order he must have to learn where it is written by evidence. The Muhammad will teach. This is all the identity of Muhammad. Rasulun. Okay. Rasulun. Ar-Rasul. Rasulo. Okay. Rasula. Rasul. These all identities are belonging to Muhammad as on dated. But this is Rasulun based on the particular amal. A Rasulu is based on the particular amal. A Rasula is the based on the particular amal. A Rasul is based on the particular amal. Okay? Aminu. Aminu bihi. Then he has to go, it is known as learning the all orders with making a note by their self by use pen and the copy of Al-Quran. It is this is taking around 2 to 3 months. So he can go once in a week or twice a week or thrice a week like that. So He has to learn all 114 orders, which is Rabbul Alamin order to Yahlazina Amnu and Yahlazina Amnu, they will learn from Muhammad by joining him. Okay, this is called Hajar wa Jahadu fi Sabila Rahman wa Amali wa Anfusihim Sallu alayhi wa sallam tasliman Asabu sahabu wa rabu wa taqwa rahman la'alakum tuflihun. This is all Miaqim Salata wa Atu Zakata. This all means this. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa akhir da'wakum. Alhamdulillah bil alamin. Muhammad Altaf. That's why. MashaAllah.